time, I will show you a tutorial on how to create a negative style look like this, with all the very easy-to-use features in CapCut. Go to Edit Project. And what I am showing here is a project I have previously edited. I previously created a tutorial on how to make a reverse style like this, with a lamina yamal cover. For those of you who still don't understand, you can go to my profile, watch the tutorial in that video, and make sure you grasp it first. And after you're creating the reverse style, export it and import it into a new project. Okay, let's get straight to creating the negative style. The first step, copy the clip, then set it as an overlay directly beneath the main clip. Tap the overlay, go to Adjust icon, select Filters, then apply Elegant B&W filter and set to 100. After that, go to Graphs and set like this for white line graph. Then split at every beat you designate. Then set duration to 0.1s for every split clips. The next step is mask configuration. However, simply leave the first and last overlays as they are, without applying any mask settings. Next, tap Second Overlay, go to Rectangle Mask, and adjust the size and position according to you want. I'll adjust like this for sample. Then tap Third Overlay, go to Rectangle Mask, and adjust the size and position according to you want, with a different position like at Second Overlay. After that, go to Fourth Overlay. For this overlay, use Horizontal Mask and set Rotate on 90. And for the final overlay, just leave it without a mask. After that, apply Tremor Strobe Effect and set like this. Intensity 100, Atmosphere 50, Glow 0, and Speed 15. Okay, done, and please for tap repost. And this result?